Here's a tutorial on the Precore touchscreen. The Precore touchscreen on the cardio equipment, on the treadmills and ellipticals, is the same display for all 4 units. When you walk up to the product, you'll see a quick start button, which will then just default into a manual program, and you'll begin controlling your speed and incline right from the handles on the treadmill. Once you begin, you can press the menu button in front, and that'll allow me to change the duration of my workout from 60 minutes down to whatever I want, 20 or whatever you'd like. Now I am in a manual program. If I would like to explore different programs that are available, I can once again hit my menu button and I would go to Workout Library, and then I could scroll through the different drop-down buttons for different programs. This one's called Fat Burner. Once again, my program time doesn't change, it's 20 minutes, but now the treadmill will default to its own elevation changes. I always control the speed. Now for most of us, we want to watch TV when we're on the product, so I will take and go all the way to my left to the main menu button, which brings up the tiles on my home page. Workouts, live TV, if you have Netflix, you have that, Spotify, and so forth. So choosing live TV, I can plug my headphones in below the console, and using my menu button, which again is right in front, I can scroll through the TV channels, choosing one that I want and waiting for that little preview to come up, and just hit go and the TV channel appears. If I want to periodically check in on my workout program, I can just hit the workout program diagram here, and it shows me where I am in my program, and it shows me I have some elevation changes coming up. And I can dismiss that. Once again, if I want to change the TV channel, go to my menu button right in front of me, and I can just scroll through and find a different channel. By going back to the main menu button, far left, I can go to more entertainment, on demand. So on demand has product and videos and music videos and comedy shows and sports shows and all kinds of information and fun things to explore throughout the world, travel sites, and that's information that gets refreshed every 4 to 6 months. Once again, back to live TV, and I can watch live TV. And that's a quick tutorial on that part of the display.